In this video, I'll show you how to show your bookmarks in Safari on a Mac. Bookmarks are useful because they let you quickly open your favorite websites without typing the address every time. To get started, open Safari on your Mac. Once Safari is open, go to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down menu, click on Show Favorites bar. This will display your bookmarks or favorite websites just below the address bar, so you can access them quickly. If you want to see all of your bookmarks, click on the sidebar button in the top left corner of Safari, then click on Bookmarks. Here you'll be able to view your saved bookmarks, folders, and favorite websites. You can also go to the top menu bar and click Bookmarks, then choose Show Bookmarks to open the Bookmarks page. If you don't see the bookmarks you expected, make sure you've already saved some websites as bookmarks. And that's it. You've successfully shown bookmarks in Safari on your Mac. Now you can quickly access your favorite websites directly from Safari whenever you need them.